What's up guys? Today we're trying out the new Pitbull Multi-Tool blades. Now these will cut wood, metal, plastic, plasterboard, etc. 34mm in diameter width. You've got your gauge there for how deep you need to cut into or cut out. And what I like about it, 5 spot welds on the actual blade. Some of them are only 3 and sometimes the weld will break, so hopefully these will be a lot stronger. Star lock fitting type. But I do believe they have the other option out there as well.
Well, with DMP, you're not dealing with huge compared to the effects requested. I know that compounds it, but in fact, what works in one individual has no effect on another. The amount that
So say blade we just cut metal with. We all know plasterboard wrecks these blades. So we'll cut this section of plasterboard out, and then I've got a noggin to put in here. We'll see how she fares. Holy, still razor sharp. Now I'm just being silly.